to AMPosium!
Welcome to the 2026 AMPosium celebration for the Applied Math program.
The Applied Math program, sponsored by ConocoPhillips, is a year-long professional development program for math and science teachers in grades 5 through 9. It's a great opportunity for teachers to come together and hone their craft and their teaching practices. We focus on content, pedagogy, and mentoring. It's a great way for teachers to invest in themselves in order to impact futures. I'm Matthew Cushing, Executive Director for the Center for STEM Engagement.
I'm Roger Ramirez, the Associate Director for Engineering and Math Education at the Center of STEM Engagement. The AMPosium celebration concludes a year-long of professional development for the Applied Math program.
I'm Karen Levon. I'm a 6th grade math teacher. I was in the AMP 24-25 cohort, and today I'm presenting on Making Math Move. I'm sharing lessons that I have created to help my 6th graders get up out of their seats, look forward to math class, and just have fun, right? Students learn better when they have fun. I'm sharing all kinds of lessons that I've made. Gem dust hopscotch, we have an integer mini golf game, and you outrun a T-Rex, and an inequality line dance. So I'm looking forward to being able to share what I've made with other teachers to make classrooms more fun all over Houston. AMP means to me opportunity. It's an opportunity to get things for your classroom that you've always wanted. The opportunity to interact with other fabulous educators from around the Houston area you might have never met, and the opportunity to just become a better teacher.
Hi, my name is Akira Marbatik. Today I'm leading a session Beyond GPT where our amazing math and science teachers will explore different AI and tech tools to create discussions, lessons, and even cartoons and music. AMP has impacted me as an educator by giving me opportunity to grow as an educator and lead meaningful discussions with my students, know the importance of students taking over their education, their learning. And also one more exciting part was this year I took over a leadership position and became a science department head, and I believe AMP contributed to this a lot. What AMP means for educators is growth, professional development, and leadership.
Hi, I'm John Valentino, 6th grade math from Bowie Middle School in Fort Bend, and today my session is called Good Questions, Better Conversations. We'll have some math thinking questions, and we'll have conversations about our thinking and about our process, and we'll learn from each other that way. AMP means to me an opportunity to collaborate with other teachers from around other districts and to learn from them and to kind of get a new spark in my teaching so that I get a chance to try new things and have some coaching along the way. One word that AMP means to educators would be revitalize. It's a chance to do what you've been doing, but look at it in a different way, emphasize some new things, learn some new techniques, try some things, and have some support along the way.
The AMP Innovation Award means great opportunities for our students. Our project is based on coding and technology innovation, where students can create and not just use technology. So we're purchasing iPads, and we're going to teach them lots of coding, and we're purchasing robots as well.
The AMP Innovation Award means so much to me because as a Title I school, it is going to allow an opportunity for our students to work hands-on in our STEM lab to create things that they would not be able to do otherwise.
The AMP Innovation Award means to me and my students that in our engineering design challenges, which I'm super passionate about, my students are going to get real-world 3D modeling experience and getting to build some of their prototypes using 3D printers instead of just consumable materials, which is going to be really exciting for them, plus give them those extra life skills of learning how to use that sort of technology. Get amped today!